Hello and welcome again to Auto Prime. Today we are at Okka for cars to show you the aspects of the 2019 Skoda Kodiaq. Stay with us.
This is the car's proximity key fob. To start, make sure the key is inside, push the brake pedal and hit start-stop button. Electric power tilting and telescopic steering wheel with multifunction controls. Before we continue, we urge you to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and write a comment after you finish watching. When in reverse, front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. A 7-speed double-clutch transmission. Pull down for sport mode and push right for manual mode. You can shift using the pedals. And the speed number appears beside the M letter. Let's turn on the headlamps, fog lights and the hazards. All windows are fully automatic up and down. The car is 4.7 meters long, 1.88 meters wide and it weighs about 1.6 tons. The front headlamps are auto-adaptive and provide extra lighting in corners. The grille is chrome accented. This is the front radar for driver's assistance. According to many car expert sites such as Auto Express and CarWow, the Kodiaq is one of the best options considering its price range, build quality, roomy interior, and fuel efficiency. The rear suspension is semi-independent with coil springs and anti-roll bar. The front one is independent McPherson struts with anti-roll bars as well. Side mirrors are heated. Now let's check the second row of the seats. I'm 1.8 and I have a huge amount of leg and headroom. Here is an armrest with cup holders. Temperature controls as well. The third row is much suitable for children. But I can sit here comfortably for a short range. LED rear lights, tow hook, and rear parking sensors. The trunk capacity with the third row folded is 650 liters. And when folding the second row, it extends to staggering 2065 liters. The rear shelf can be removed and stored in the trunk. Let's check the engine. The engine is a common rail diesel injection with 16 valves. Four-cylinder 2-liter that produces 150 horsepower and a great amount of torque that reaches 340 Newton meters. The engine directs the power to the front wheels. According to Skoda, the car can do a distance per liter of 21 kilometers highway, 17 kilometers city, and 20 kilometers combined. And now let's have a look on the interior. The front two seats are leather sport bucket seats, and the driver's one is 8 ways electrically operated. This is the two-way lumbar support. It has a touch screen with touch shortcut menu buttons around. Here is the radio. Station presets. Presets as a list. Manual selection. You can use the knob for manual selection. Radio settings. Multimedia to choose input source, whether from the Bluetooth, SatNav, USB or others. Phone screen to pair devices, make calls, sync contacts and other settings. Voice commands. Help.
What do you need help with?
Telephone.
You can say call followed by a contact or call number.
Thank you.
Pardon?
Cancel.
Cancel.
SatNav and map. New destination, my previous destinations, traffic update, manage a view, 2D, 3D, night and day, with route split screen. Media, voice guidance and settings. Apps menu shows your phone apps on the screen utilizing Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and MirrorLink. Cars menu. Consumers. driving reports since start, long term, and since refueling. Green score to monitor CO2 emissions. Vehicle status shows current car faults that should be repaired. And here is the main screen, shows all different menus we've seen and others. Three zones automatic climate control. Click Sync to match the driver's temperature with the other two zones. 3-stage heated drivers and passengers seats. And here the climate screen appears and can be adjusted from the screen. Parking sensors. Engine auto start stop. "12-volt power and 2 USB ports. Electronic handbrake. Auto hold functionality. Here is traction control. Armrest and storage. You can simply adjust its height. On the right side of the steering wheel are the controls for driver's screen. As range, trip computer, AdBlue range, and radar front braking assistance. On the left are voice commands,
Radio.
and multimedia controls. Here to activate active cruise control and to determine the distance between your car and the front one. Sun visor with auto light. Reading lamps. Rear lamps. And sunglasses container. SOS and maintenance requests. And with that, we've reached the end of our in-depth look of the 2019 Skoda Kodiaq. Thanks indeed for watching. This has been Abdelhadi Shaqfa.